So guys, discuss about that how we can making for free website builder. In this free website builder, the domain and hosting will be complete free. Domain and hosting will be free. In this, lot of websites are there. We can go to website will be first will be Blogger, second will be WordPress, third one will be Google Sites, fourth will be Zimdo, and fifth one will be in this particular site profreehost.com website. So these are the website we have to creating for particular free website purpose. So yeah, this website will be using for complete for making a free website builder. So coming to this website, in this will be URL will be here. In this option will be using for blogger.com. In this use option name is called wordpress.com. In this using for sites.google.com, and in this one they're using for here. In this we have a lot of website will be there. In the first one, profreehost.com is a domain hosting will be completely free, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL database, easy control panel, website builder, 100% free, no hidden cost, no subdomains. That means by free subdomains, 99% 9 uptime, and no forced ads option. Just you can register for account here. Is a completely free to the creating for website purpose. So just you can create account and create your free website using for profreehost.com is the first website. Second one is called Blogger website. In a Blogger website, you can design n number of website. There no expiry date in particular domain. In a website creation time, the domain will be compulsory valid. It is available in the free domain. We can purchase. But in a Blogger website creation time, the extension will be showing for blogspot.com. That will be showing for abc. Just I'm showing for dummy one. ABC is my domain. abc.blogspot.com. So this will be the supporting for total themes will be here. So these are the themes for the particular option. So previous 11 themes are there. Now we'll be showing for total 12 themes. We can using for free themes also. Next one, we can use option name is called WordPress. We can using for which option is called WordPress. Here we can using for WordPress. We can making for n number of website. Each website we can design for 3 GB space. For 3 GB space. We can one login in Gmail. We can create n number of WordPress.com. But they will be showing will be extension will be abc.wordpress.com. abc.wordpress.com. So if you're premium, no WordPress, you're showing for .com. Same Google site also will be there. The particular extension will be there. Sites.google.com, jimdo.com, and prehost.com. The every site will be here. Just so you can go to sign up in your account. We can use a particular website will be creation. So yeah, these are website and sites.google.com. Most of the people will design the website for the using for this website profreehost.com. These people most of the using for making WordPress. These two website will be WordPress. Remaining will be as a complete HTML or PHP related website will be here. This is completely for in this website building purpose. No need to understanding for coding knowledge. Zero knowledge of coding. You can make the website using this website. Which one? Blogger one, WordPress, Jimdo, Google Sites, and particular pre-host website that is called profreehost.com. Is a completely free for to making a website. The particular websites. So here, Blogger will be coming to the Google login. WordPress will be any login accepted. Google site will be Google login compulsory. Jimdo will be any login accepted. Pro free host also accepted any mail, except Blogger and Google site accepting only for Gmail login. That is called Google and required for the both making a website, Blogger and WordPress. If you need any particular domain with hosting will be required for free website, go for freehost.com. That will be profreehost.com. Use this website to making a website for the 100% free to use the particular making a website. Don't forget guys, these are the platform you can use to making a free website. Domain hosting will be completely free. To making a website will be very comfortable without knowledge of the coding techniques. So if you learning about this complete course, just you can go to the my channel Digital Rakesh. Everything will be there chapter wise. Go to my playlist in the channel, Blogger, WordPress, every video will be there. You can go to your playlist option, every video is there. Second thing is called, if you go to my website, you can learn everything will be in the my website option, skill2digital.com. Here, everything you can learn in the particular things are there. You can go to the option and make it a website and promote by the particular options. These are the platform you can use, the particular website and YouTube channel. You can learn how to making a WordPress website, how to making a Blogger website, how to making a Jimdo website, how to making a pre-host website. Everything learn with the playlist and in the blog option. Every video will be there blogs to understanding the how to making a website in the particular platforms.